Really excited to open this. This is a load of goodies from Tether Tools that I am being loaned so I can use at the photography show. So I'm going to be at the photography show. I have 16 workshops to do. I'm holding an art exhibition and I'm doing 2 main stage talks. So I've got a fair bit going on. And basically I spoke to the guys at Tether Tools because I'm a big fan of the stuff they do. I said, hey, can I use some of your kit during some of my workshops, because I love your kit basically. So they said, yeah, sure, you know, put together a list of products you'd like to borrow that you can use during a photography show. So I did that. So I'm going to open this box and show you exactly what I got and why I decided to get it. So if you don't know who Tether Tools are, they are kind of the masters of tethering. You know, they have the very well recognizable orange tether cable, which is a cable that tethers your camera through to your computer. Now, I've spoken about this numerous times before. The reasons I like tethering, especially when it comes to shooting portrait, is it gives me the best possible quality in terms of the images that I'm producing. It also allows my clients to see what's going on in the shoot as we're slowly working through the shoot. So if there are any issues, we can raise them at that specific point and we can make slight adjustments. I'm just going to put that down there. One of the other things as well is in terms of collaboration. So when you start to collaborate with other creatives such as, you know, a retoucher, digis, and, you know, people who manage the artists that I regularly work with, it's good for them to have visibility over what's going on. And we can all collaborate, we can all look at one screen as opposed to the tiny screen on the back of a camera. So, you know, that's some of the reasons I love Tether Tools. But what they've done is they've gone beyond just producing a cable. Now, they have a range of amazing kit that is all designed around having the perfect tethering setup. So when you tether, inevitably you're going to need a laptop or a computer. So where do you then place that laptop? If you tether out on location, how do you then power that laptop? So they thought of all the accessories that sit around the outside of this tethering process and started to produce the kit that allows you to do it, which is amazing. And I think any good company that produces an amazing product should look at the solution, or look at the problem they're trying to solve, and look at all the possible variables within solving that solution. And that's exactly what they do. So in terms of what I got, first things first is this guy here. So this is the Tether Tools Aero table. Now this basically is a table that will sit on top of a tripod, and it gives me the space to be able to pop my laptop somewhere. Now that's great because 9 times out of 10 I have to prop it on a floor and it's all a bit awkward. So this is an amazing bit of kit. It's super versatile and it's specifically designed for my laptop, which is great. So that's the first bit of kit. Second bit of kit is the Onsite AOV mount. Now this basically is a locking system that will work with this tabletop system to ensure that I can have a power solution connected to this guy. So basically if I went out on location with this and the Onsite power adapter, it means that I could have power running to my laptop so I can extend the time of my shoot massively and not have to worry about power. So if we went out on location and, you know, it's going to be an 8-hour shoot, like, is my Mac going to hold out for that amount of time? Probably not. So I need to take power with me. The problem with taking power is, like, where do you connect everything and keep it all connected? So that's the second part, which is pretty cool. Then you've got the main part. So this basically is the Onsite DTAP battery. So this basically is the DTAP battery that will allow you to connect to this feature and just basically gives you the juice for it, which is, you know, this is, if you tether and you've ever tethered on location, this is just one of the most amazing pieces of kit going. You know, the combination of this is super. Then from there you have the actual system. Now this is basically going to connect to the V-Lock battery and then to that plate that holds it on the table, and that's going to give you a remote power option. Now once I'm done with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go set this up and I'm going to show you what it would actually look like. And I'm going to do it in my garden so you can have a little look and be like, oh, okay, now I understand where all these parts go and why you would use them all. So got that. These guys, jerk stoppers. Now jerk stoppers, they're really cool. Now what they're basically doing is they're taking the tension off of the camera or the computer and putting it onto sort of points on the cable. And what that's ensuring happens is if the cable gets snagged, it's bright orange. Why anyone would trip over it, I don't know, but just in case, these devices are designed to stop any damage to the most important parts, which tend to sit either end of the cable. The cable itself is super important because it's the conduit that connects them both, but your Mac and your camera, you know, that's thousands of pounds or thousands of dollars worth of equipment, and these guys can protect it. So well worth investing in jerk stoppers. And I'm pretty sure that's all I ordered. Yes, so that's all the kit I ordered. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go through the process of setting them all up. So come outside with me. I'm going to set them all up and you can see how they would all work together. So this is it all set up, and you can see I have the plate here, which is this chap. Underneath here we have the V-lock mount. We have a little nose that connects the V-lock battery. Then this guy over here hooks on like so, and that allows us to create the power pack with USB, and that's the complete setup.